Okay, this is Reverend Cole of Cole and Son. Excuse me.
Cole Electric.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Well, now I got one. Okay. This is Cole Electric, and they did the work, the electrical work for my home.
Okay. And
Here
this
we
is
go.
a 200 amp combination. Yeah, it's a main breaker here that controls the whole house.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. It controls the whole house.
Yes, ma'am.
Brand new.
Brand new.
Okay.
It has to be on.
Okay.
As soon as Mr. Marshall get through here, put the cover on that, but he want to dress it up, so he's gonna work that out.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's go
And that's
inside.
Mr. Jesse doing the vinyl work.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And David, who don't say much, but he works.
Oh yeah. I appreciate it.
Oh, yes, he does. All right, now I'm just going to show you the electrical work that Mr. Cole did. Okay, we'll come back on. All right.
Come in here again. No problem.
Okay, here we are. He's showing you the box,
This is
the
brand
brand.
new panel box there, and all new breakers.
Okay, go ahead now.
Okay, brand new panel box, all new breakers. Okay.
All new breakers.
Yes, ma'am. Brand new stuff.
Brand new.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you. And we're putting brand new windows in. All right.
Okay.
All the lights are working.
All the lights are working.
All of them. What is it, sir?
GFI.
GFI. Brand new.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Okay.
And we have the recessed light.
Brand new.
Brand new. Okay. That has been put in. All right. Okay.
Brand new box and breakers.
Okay. Brand new box. Okay. Brand new box and breaker. Done by Cole Electric. If you need electrical work done, he's the person to call. Or his son. Okay. These are the lights in the living room. Everything working.
Plugs in the kitchen are working.
The stove is working.
Refrigerator working.
The refrigerator's working. I'm not going to open it, but it's working.
Outlets on top of the countertop is working.
The outlets
On top of the counter.
on the countertop are working. The microwave is working. Is the pilot light lit here?
I don't know, but I don't bother with that.
Okay. All right, but the stove is working. The electric is running through it.
The pilot light is not going to change. It has a ignite on there.
Excuse me?
The pilot light has an ignite on there.
You have to use a... Okay, let me turn it. All right. The kitchen light is working. The hallway light is working. Oops. The closet light is working. This is a brand new switch in the master bedroom that controls the closet light.
The air conditioning is working in here.
The air condition is working properly. The Light, bathroom light is working. The fan is working. Need a bulb there. The closet is working also. I mean, the utility room is working also. The air conditioner in the living room is working. It has electric power. The living room TV, everything is working. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Cozy Electric.
You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Welcome.